Okay, so Paul, thanks for joining us today. And I mean, my call really today is just really to find out a little bit more about how things have been going for you. You've obviously been using the Gravitas Q lead generation system for some time now. So yeah, just tell me about how things have gone. Um, you've worked with us for a while, so it'd be great to just understand how this is, how the leads we provide, the qualified leads we provide, have impacted your business.
Yeah, sure. Well, I mean, I guess I better go back to when I was starting the business out, and obviously, like a lot of new businesses, I needed new leads. So I spoke to a few companies, and I've done a couple of trials with different companies. And I have to say, having met Pesh and worked with him, that the leads we've got are definitely of better quality. And it's been great for us as well, because I think what put me off some of the other companies that I worked with, some of the minimum spends and minimum contracts were a bit too much. So the ability to turn it on and off is really great for us, because sometimes we will get a number of different leads in, and then we will need to just turn it off for a couple of weeks and then back on. That's been really good. And as I say, the quality has also been good. It's not been a case of getting them across and needing to chase people several times. People have answered the phones, and we've had good conversations, and we've been able to build a good sales process off the back of that.
Okay, great. Tell me a little bit more about that sales process then.
Well, for us, I mean, really, it's about building a pipeline. I mean, these sorts of things take a period of time, obviously, to get people along the line. So we put a process in place around our email system, around our phone calling of people, and in terms of how we go about booking appointments in for people as well. And really, the Passion team there have just been able to plug into that front section of it, deliver the leads to us, so that we can do our thing, our end.
Excellent.
Thank
Paul,
you.
I really appreciate you for your time, and I really appreciate the testimonial as well. Thank you.
No problem.